Hello everyone, welcome back to On Top Indicators. Today I'm going to be giving you the best settings to use for the daily EURUSD chart. So really quick, here's what the Chande Oscillator looks like. It's one yellow line. Well, I have the line set of yellow and it's just oscillating back and forth between -100 and +100. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a buy position every time that this yellow line crosses above the white line. And the white line is just a moving average of the yellow line. So we'd be taking a buy there and then another one right away if we were not in the trade. One there, and can't miss that little guy right there too. Okay, so let me get rid of that and let's take a look at what would have happened with the default settings. So here's the default settings, right? We would be up 13.66%. The default settings are set at 9. Our signal line, which is that moving average, is set at 21. And our stop loss and take profit are half of the ATR for the entire testing period. So that's set at 2.22%. So here's the results. Again, we'd be up 13.66%. But what I don't like about this strategy or these results for this strategy is that even though we're up 13.66, look how high it comes here and then all the way down here. There's a tons of peaks and a tons of valleys. What we're really looking for is a nice straight line coming up, giving us profit, continuous profit throughout the whole time. That gives us more confidence that the strategy is actually working and not just that we just happen to be in the money at the moment, right? So what you're going to want to do to switch up the settings is let's move this length all the way up to 48 and bring the signal line down to 9. Okay, this is what's going to get us. We're going to be up 34.11%, which is about double, just a little bit under twice as much as what the default settings would have done. Once again, here you can see, even though there's still peaks and valleys, right? Now, this is not a full-blown strategy. This is just setting the settings. So it still doesn't look great. It still doesn't look like a nice straight line coming up, but it looks a lot better, right? Right? Even though we come down here from this point forward, it does look like we have a nice uptrend coming up this way, which is exactly what we're looking for. So once again, don't use the default settings. You're not going to be making anywhere near as much as if you use this length and this signal line here. So if you're back testing the Chande Oscillator right now, or if you already use it in one of your strategies, then try using it with 48 and 9 as your length and your signal line. Then you can play around with your stop loss and take profit and see what works for you. Once again, this is the daily chart on EURUSD. Now, if you guys think you're ready to start following the best strategies that I found and the ones that I personally use, then head on over to ontopindicators.com and sign up to the email list. In order for strategies to be effective, I can only allow access to a small amount of people for each one. Otherwise, the strategies just stop working if too many people are trading them. Now, everyone on the email list does get first crack at using them before I post them on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to it. Once again, the website is ontopindicators.com. All right, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, goodbye.